Hi Cindy, it's Michaela with Small Strength Marketing. I hope you're doing well today. I spoke with you on Friday regarding some online marketing that my company does to help small businesses really kind of climb that Google ladder and get found by new customers. So as promised, here's a 5-minute video that's just going to showcase 3 areas that I really feel will bring a lot of value and revenue to your business and to your website. So those 3 areas are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. When looking at your website, content is any words that are showcased on your page. So what I know from looking at your competition's pages is they have a lot more content. What I do know is Google loves content, like loves content. If you Google search anything specific on Google, usually the #1 thing to pop up is Wikipedia, because it has the most content. So Google loves content. So just looking at the content that's available right now on your website, I think we need anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words to beat your competition. Also, this section here, the Our Services section, I love all these pictures and all the information under it. The thing that I would add would be internal linking, being able to click on root canal treatment and it take me to a root canal treatment page that discussed what went into this process would really help add pages to your website, add more content to your website, but also be a little bit clearer for your customers and new people coming to your website. Also, you can do internal linking on your pictures that when you save them as a keyword, anytime Google does a Google search for Springdale, Arkansas dentist, and we save your pictures as a keyword in that platform, Google will then return that to you, and that also helps direct people to your website. Also, on every subsequent page, Google really likes to see anywhere between 500 to 750 words minimum. So definitely have some great information, great pictures, a lot of text here. We could probably boost this up a little bit, but I would also add a subsequent page for each one of these services. So this little bar right here that says Our Services is not listed under the Services tab. So I would definitely go and add all of these different services that your business offers under the Services tab. That would, again, add more content to your website, add a lot more pages to your website, giving us a lot more ways to point back and expanding your search capabilities for new customers as well. If we look here, this is a search for Springdale, Arkansas dentists, and I'm going to take you here to the map pack. This is the first in-your-face thing that people see when they search for a Springdale, Arkansas dentist. These top 3 are going to be the most credited and have the most new customers just being visible and the first 3 on the page. I think you guys rank at number 15 to 20, somewhere in that range. And so unless someone is looking for a specific area, they probably wouldn't get that far down the list to get to you. So how do we boost this? We boost this with something called citations. Citations are anywhere your name, your address, and your phone number are visible on some type of online directory. Think Yelp and Facebook and Instagram. We do have a way of looking at how many your competition have in regards to citations, so we know what number to beat. So on a daily basis, my company would go in, add you guys several new citations every day, getting that bumped up and getting you guys into the top 3. That's really going to help get you in the face of a lot of people and really bring in brand new revenue and business and customers to your site. When I talk about organically ranking up, I don't mean like dental services, which obviously have a time and place. I mean your actual organic dental offices and where they rank. So if we come down here, I want to say you guys are number number 19 right here. So backlinks are also going to help boost this up as well. Content, #1, going to help move you guys up. Having more citations is going to bump you up on that map pack. Backlinks are also going to help this ratio right here. Backlinks are anywhere that a external site points back to you, either by a blog or some type of digital service that links back to your site. So we would definitely work on getting some quality backlinks, because not all links are created equal. And I will show you what I mean on that. This is a site called Majestic. And if you look here at your website, you guys have 0 trust flow. Trust flow is important. You currently have 18 backlinks coming in, but 0 trust flow, meaning those links don't actually give you a follow back. Google looks for that, and those are super important on getting seen by Google and being a trusted site, allowing you to stay in the top and not get bumped out so easily. So historically, you guys have had over 205. You've just fallen off a lot of those. So my company would work really hard at getting you quality backlinks, getting this trust flow high, and definitely bumping up your citations. There is something called a golden ratio. We want these to be as close to 1-to-1 as possible. So we would definitely get you some quality backlinks here and quality citations here. Keep adding those, boosting you guys right at the top. So with all that said, I think these 3 areas would really bring value to your website and to new customers coming into your business, giving you guys more revenue and getting you higher up that chain on Google. So I think that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful day. I will reach you back out either Monday or Tuesday. Just do a quick follow-up, and I'll talk to you then. Have a nice day, Cindy. Bye-bye.